I'm gonna be telling you about the Allchinabuy Balenciaga. Now, right from the get-go, I'm going to say that these are replicas, right? These are not the real thing. Although it is a very good replica, it's only $80 as well. But there are a couple of trade-off. First off, these kind of track shoes are usually very heavy, right? It's heavy, it's really solid, it has a good material as well. But for the replica Balenciaga, it's usually lighter and it's made from cheaper material. That doesn't mean it's bad, it's just a different feeling, right? They also use things like cheaper glue and of course overall cheaper materials as well, like fabric and things like that, but you do get the colors and you do get the looks of it, right? And it's significantly cheaper than the actual Balenciaga. This one is only $87, so it's a pretty good haul if you tell me, because I don't really care about the actual material as long as it looks nice, as long as it's comfortable as well. And even though it's lighter and the material is slightly cheaper, $81 still gets you something good, right? Because $81 is to me a lot of money, and even though the material is not top notch and it's not the best, it is still wearable to me. So that's my review of it.